how to become a Fire Kirin agent. Have you ever wondered how to become a Fire Kirin agent and start earning? If you are interested in working with this popular gaming platform, you are in the right place. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know, from requirements to step-by-step process of becoming an agent. So, first of all, what is Fire Kirin agent? Before jumping in, let's clarify what an agent does. As a Fire Kirin agent, your job is to manage player accounts, sell credits, and earn commissions from the transactions. It's a great opportunity for those who want to work independently and make money in online gaming industry. Now, let's talk about requirements to become a Fire Kirin agent. Not everyone can become an agent right away. Here are the few requirements. First, a reliable internet connection and a device, PC or a smartphone. Second, a minimum investment to buy the credits priced by the provider. Third, a partnership with an official Fire Kirin distributor. And fourth, strong communication skills to attract and manage the players. Now let's dive into the topics. The step 1 is find a distributor. Fire Kirin agents work under the distributor who provide them with the access to the platform. Look for an official distributor through gaming communities, social media, or the Fire Kirin website. Second step, apply for an agent account. Once you have found a distributor, reach out to them and express your interest. They may ask for some details like your name, contact information, and preferred payment methods. Third step, purchase the credits. To start, you will need to buy credits in bulk. These are what you will sell to the players. The more credits that you purchase, the better deals you might get from the distributor. Fourth step, set up your payment system. Players will buy credits from you, so you will need a secure and convenient payment method. Most agents use PayPal, Cash App, Jelly, or direct bank transfers too. Fifth step, start selling and managing the player. Once everything is set up, you can start promoting your services and selling credits to the player. You will also be responsible for helping them with an account issues and ensuring the smooth transaction. You might be thinking how the agents earn. The main way to make a money as a Fire Kirin agent is through the commission. You buy your credits at a wholesale rate from the distributor and sell them at a higher price to the players. The difference is your profit. Some agents also earn bonuses by bringing in a new player. And that's it. If you follow these steps and stay committed, you can become a successful Fire Kirin agent. Are you ready to get started? And at last, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.